Are you having trouble figuring out what to read next? We have lots of resources that can help. One of our favorites is called Novelist K-8 Plus, a database designed to help you find your next book. You can click the link directly from our guide. Novelist is available free through the SC Discus program. Let's take a look around so you'll know how to use it. If you have some idea of what you are interested in, use the search features at the top. You can search by keyword, title, author, or series. Let's say you just finished the first book in the Percy Jackson and the Olympians series, and you want to find what title comes next. You can do that by choosing to search by series. Then begin typing Percy Jackson. The database has an autofill feature to help you. Once the options appear, you can choose the right one. From here, we can see that Percy Jackson and the Olympians is actually the name for two series, one being a graphic novel version of the original. You want to read the original version, so let's click the top link. Scroll down to the Books tab and you can see each book in the series in order from the first to the last. You can also check out the More About This Series tab if you want some details on this series or want to search for books similar to it. Maybe your favorite thing about Percy Jackson is that it's based on mythology. We can click on Mythological Fantasy to see more books that have the same focus. If you're specifically looking for another series or another author, you can use those tabs at the top to find that information. What if you can't think of a book to use as the start of your search, but you know that you like nonfiction books? Let's go back to the home page. You can always return to the home page by clicking on the logo in the top left corner. Down here in the Recommended Reads list, you can toggle between fiction and nonfiction and choose your age group for more personalized recommendations. In this example, let's say you're 8 years old and want to find a nonfiction book. Let's choose ages 0 through 8 under the Nonfiction tab. This gives you some options to narrow your search. We want to see the best new nonfiction books, so let's click Best of 2017 and then Best Younger Kids Nonfiction 2017. Some of these look like great choices. What if you are a fourth grader who has been assigned a book report on a realistic fiction book? Novelist can help you find something to read for your assignment. Back on the home page, you can browse by genre in two ways. First, you can go up here to the top and choose Browse By, and then choose Genre from the drop-down menu. You can also just click on your age range right here from the home page. You are 9 in 4th grade, so let's choose 9 through 12. If you scroll down a tad, you will see the newest titles in realistic fiction. You can choose to explore realistic to find even more books. Then let's view all. This puts all the books on one screen. Look at those results. 4,681 is a lot of books to look through, so let's narrow that down some. If you are only interested in new books, maybe published within the last 3 years, you can look at those by narrowing the publication date to 2015 to 2018 range and updating the results. That drops us down to 880 results, which is still a lot. Let's look at the genre options and see what might help us. There are so many options to help you keep narrowing your search. Let's say you like funny books, so you choose the humorous stories option. That takes us on down to 43 books, which is a lot less to look through. You can also sort the results by different options. For our search, let's look at the most popular books. It looks like a book from the Wimpy Kids series may be exactly what you're looking for. Novelist is not the only way to find a new book. Please explore some of the other links from our guide to find additional recommendations. The Children's Book Award lists are a great way to find good quality, highly enjoyable books by noted authors and illustrators. There's a sidebar on the right with books that have been made into movies. Also, if you know of a good book that we need to add to our library collection, please share your suggestion with us right here. Don't forget that your librarian is also a great source for helping you find an exciting new book.